Today I am in Decathlon. Let me show you around. Come with me. Okay, now come with me and I will show you cycles. Oh my god, there are so many cycles. These are the cycles for big ones and these are medium ones. They have big sized, medium sized and small sized cycles. These are jackets and bottles. These are jackets. These are cycle sports helmet. These are bottles. This is flying disc. These are t-shirts for boys and girls. Jackets, t-shirts, pants, shoes. These are badminton rackets and cork. This is shoes for big adults. Decathlon is so big, oh my god! These are shorts and pants for big people. This is scooter. I'm gonna play golf. Please hope that I score. Oh no, I did not do it. Okay, let's try one more time. Yes, I did it. Okay, these are badminton rackets and corks. And there are varieties of shoes. These are big water bottles when you go for trekking. This is table tennis. Okay, now let's go to the gym. What is this? Okay, let's try this one. Oh my god, this is so heavy to lift. Okay, now let's try another one. Okay, we should push this up and down. This is so easy, I can do it. It will make muscles. Oh my god, it was about to fall and break. No, I cannot do it. It's too heavy. Now let's go and try doing cycling. I cannot balance. Okay, I finally got the balance and let's do it. Okay, let's do cycling. Okay, now let's try another one. This is very wibbly and wobbly. Yes, I'm doing it. Okay, now I'm bored of this. Let's go try jumping jack. This is a small one, but it cannot bounce very well. So I did not do it much. I wanted to try this, but I cannot find the switch. Okay, now instead of that, I will try this one. We have to pull the string and go backwards. This is similar like a cycle, but it counts how many times we did. You can see there is a screen in front of me. Wow, these are yoga mat. These are very big in length and breadth. You can find them in various colors. Okay, now I will try lifting these dumbbells. Oh, it's so heavy, I cannot lift it. Okay, let me try the smaller one. Where is it? Yeah. Yeah, this is better than the other one, but it is still so heavy. Nah, I did not want to try it because these were so heavy that I could not lift it. Oh, these are football, right? Let me try one. Usually, the footballer used to be played by foot, but I'm playing it by hand. Okay, let me keep it in its place. These are cricket bats and balls. And these are the safety materials when you play cricket. These are hoodies. These are balls, basketball balls. Let me keep it in its place. In Decathlon, we can get jackets, tracking accessories, shoes, sweaters, hoodies, pants, and t-shirts. Okay, let me grab a drink. I brought the sports drink of green apple flavor and pomegranate. In Decathlon, there is self-billing. There is no one to help, and we should pay ourselves. Meanwhile, I can play the ball. Catch. Oh my god, it's such a long line. Uh, Finally, I got my chance. Come on, I will show you how to build. Okay, this is where we put all the things and it gets built and will come in a screen. You have to write the phone number and put one item and it will get built by itself. Can you see there in the screen? And the price is shown on the screen and there is no one. We have to do it self-billing. This is such a unique feature, right? I did not know it about this feature. You can either pay it by phone or card. I hope you like my video. Please like and share this video and subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Bye.